So you think you can craft? So you think you can
Look at Big Craft. Look at Big Craft.
So you think you can
Craft, 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 craft.
Alright, really quick before. No, I'm kidding. Bienvenue to Le Café Craft.
Okay, stop.
I don't even know what I say. Bienvenue to Le Café Craft.
You know how the video cuts off here? When you have these things below here, you can't see them, right?
Right.
So can't. Okay, there. Now we can see. All right. So when your hands are here, you can't see your hands either. They go here.
Okay.
Your hand. Yes.
Okay. Let me have a nervous breakdown right now. Whew, breathe in, breathe out. Here we go. Oh, I get to stop laughing. Here we go. Ok, mais laisse tomber là parce que déjà je suis énervé. What do we need? Bam, done. I got those cards, postcard, more postcard. I'm gonna do a postcard. I got so many cards. So this, oh my gosh, we don't need this. I'm gonna use some, what do you call it? Fabric things, right? Come on. All right, we have to know how to count. 1, 2, whew. Gee, that was hard. Just saying, it did happen to me. I was like, oops. Hopefully everything would be the same size or about. Okay. You know, why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna put that to one more click. So it's a 1/4 inch plus 1 click. Whatever. I'm sorry. How precise is this? It's a 1/4 inch plus 1 click. You know, I had one smaller ruler like that, metal, and I was kind enough to lend it to somebody who never gave it back to me. Anyway, so now I don't have it. I cannot take the time to read the whole book to see if something is not appropriate. What am I doing? Which one is it? This one, that one, this other one? Hold on. And I already misplaced the stamp. I just don't know where it is. But I used it and I must have put it here, there. I just don't know. Oh, here I have a clock. Now, can we have a printout of that? Nope. I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna use that. I don't know. I'm gonna use something which is not available. There we go. Stays on. It is gonna stay on. I need something. I said that I want the inside to be upside down. Because if I cannot bang, turn around. Let me see if that thing works. Because I kind of like that clock. I cannot believe I'm doing that. So we are a 1/4 inch plus 1 click. Ready? Is there glue coming out of that thing? Set. Come on, you silly glue. Go. Oh my gosh, this is just so... And here it is. And life is great. I don't want to pull too much on it. It's not dry. Nope. What the heck are they? I'm gonna use this thing here. No, not this. Before you put the... Let me rephrase this. Don't bang, because we're gonna be 1/4 and 2 clicks. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. All right, pretty cool. Now we need the brad. Oh my gosh, we need the brad. The brad. My brads. Oh no, seriously? There's no brad, is it? Nope. Got the brad. We need to cut, but that will look better. Yeah, but you know what? We can cut a little bit. Okay, we're gonna cut a little bit of that. Tired of cutting. You got that border here. It's kind of cool. Around that corner, around those corners. Big round. Round. You know why? This is gonna be an hour and a half video. Doesn't even look remotely straight. Edge. We love easy. And I can't. Oh, I'm sorry, I make the camera shake. Calm down, Patricia. Where are we? You take your Scotch tape, then you take the tape down, and then you cut them right, so all right, Patricia, easy that I thought it would be, but you cut them on your Scotch tape. Okay, it's not as... You can always make another copy if it doesn't come out good. Never mind that. Also, amazingly, if you flip it over... Oh no, I punched his face. Anyway, you're gonna need some 12... That I cannot believe I lost those things again. I sure did. Did things as a spell. Oh, I'm sorry. And this one is B or it's not? I don't know, I cannot read. So, I don't even know if I can read anything out of that. What's the setup for that thing? It's B, setup is B, and the other one is... Oh, it's this way around. It's like a 2. All the videos, really, do yourself a favor. Go up to the end. It happened to me once, and I was on video 6. And that lady said, oops, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, but this is great. And I don't want you to cut stuff that you didn't want to, you know, blah, 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 right? You know, I changed my little trash can from here to there. I keep putting everything on the floor. I mean, it happened to me so many times. I follow the video and then they go, oops, I shouldn't have done that. And we're like, well, thank you, because I just did. If your book cover is not as wide as, which means is narrower than your envelope. Oh my gosh, I thought I would never say it. Okay, maybe I should have started with that. Well, you know, who's perfect? Not me. I even alternated on the alternation, so it's all alternated. Let's not do that. I'm a little bit too much here. Okay, the sliver, the good old sliver. See, contrasting. We're not taking ourselves too seriously, but we do cool stuff. I'm gonna need some outside help. Those things. Where is all my stuff? It just disappeared. It's just gone. A is gonna have to go with A. This goes here, and that goes the other way. Does it? Oh my lord. It start to look like something. It's pretty much indestructible. No, how does that? Yes, that you cannot deconstruct, right? Indestructible. Okay. It is the season, isn't it? Okay, so this. Oh my gosh, why is there so many things involved with doing one tiny little thing? I just don't know. Flip out, not flip out. What's it called? Flip up, whatever. Pull out, pull in. Moving part. The moving part. So let me rearrange everything here. All right, surgery is what? So you need a utility knife or an X-Acto, something to cut with. I already lost this thing that I found. Seriously. Put the blubby blub glue. But this one, how does this one works? Maybe it's every other one. Yes, it's every other one because... No, I didn't put... See, I didn't put glue in the bottom. I wish I had one more. Why is it that I don't have one more? I don't know. Yeah, because I cut so many of those. And the sickness of the thickness, not the sick. We're not sick yet. Where did you go? Sorry, I got like glue on my hand here. Oh, no. You know, those little round punch things. You have them. Like... I mean, it's confusing to me, so if it's confusing to you, welcome. Why does this one keep going away? Oh my god! Hold on, you know how that goes. Everything is gonna fly out of here. Oops, part. This one just escaped. You put it in. Okay, hold on. Let's do this. Oh, for goodness. Okay, see, I'm gonna start with older words than I know. Why? It's lining up. Oops. Glue. Glue everywhere. Here comes the glue. So that's pretty exciting. Really. I'm a specialist of the this and that. And then I got to stop shaking the camera. It's like the Blair Witch Project. Oops. Sorry about that. Let me put that. It's not. What's that do with it? I don't know. I didn't even throw it away. It's not even. I had something right here all day. It's gone. Is this one? Nope. You know, this is the thing. Where do things go? Of course. Really, please. Shh, Frank. And see you next time. Next time. We just cut.